I walk into my kitchen feeling hungry, confident, heroic, because obviously the fridge must be full today. All right, fridge, open up. Please reveal glorious food treasures, snacks, pizza, cake, anything delicious waiting inside today. Wait, hold on. Where is everything? Did the food escape? Did someone rob my refrigerator overnight again? Maybe I'm missing something obvious. Let me check again carefully, because my stomach refuses to believe this. Okay, bottom shelf. Maybe secret pizza hiding here? Nope, just empty space and broken dreams today. All right, freezer, don't disappoint me now. Ice cream? Frozen pizza? Anything? Please, cooperate with my hunger. Maybe food is hiding in the back like shy animals. Hello, snacks? Come out immediately!
Ugh, still nothing to eat. Come on, magically appear! Shake harder! Why won't you work? Ugh, still empty.
Great. Now I'm sitting on the floor questioning my life decisions and my empty stomach. Wait, did the fridge just laugh at me? I swear this refrigerator is judging me right now. Let me tap the shelf once. Maybe food appears like magic? Oh, come on, universe, do something helpful. All right, fridge, you win today. But tomorrow, I'm coming back with groceries and revenge. Just wait.